In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Play profile picture. If you want to update the image connected to your Google Play Games profile, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your device without any confusion. First, open Google Play on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on, since some profile options may take a moment to appear, depending on your connection or device speed. Once you're inside Google Play, go to your profile and look for settings. Your profile area is usually found by tapping your account picture in the top corner. From there, open the settings menu so you can access the account and profile options connected to Google Play. Inside settings, press General. This section contains several basic options related to your Google Play experience, and it's where you'll find the path to the profile settings you need. Next, select Play Games Profile. This is the part that matters if you want to change the picture associated with your gaming identity on Google Play. If you use achievements, leaderboards, or game progress tied to your account, this is the profile being updated. From here, you can change your profile picture. Look around this page carefully because this is where your current avatar or profile image should be displayed. If you don't immediately see the edit option, give the screen a second and check near the image area. Now press the small pencil icon, then choose from the profile pictures available below. The pencil icon is the edit button, and tapping it will open the avatar selection area. You can browse the available options and pick the one you want to use. After selecting it, your new profile picture should update for your Play Games profile. There's also another way to get to the same place. You can go to your profile, then press Google Play Games profile. This is useful if you prefer accessing the profile directly instead of going through the full settings path. After that, press your profile and change it from the available profile pictures. Just select the image you want from the options shown, and your profile picture will be updated. A quick tip before you finish: if the new picture doesn't appear right away, try closing and reopening the app. Sometimes changes need a moment to sync across your account. And that's it. That's how to change your Google Play profile picture quickly and easily.